Hi, hello, good day, all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. So, in the this session, I want to show you number one, how to start Zookeeper and Kafka server or broker, and then how to create a topic, how to create a producer, and then how to create a consumer. How messages are exchanging. Sorry, how messages are consuming and producing by the producer. Okay, see here I want to say excuse me, one thing here. It is called the producer produces some set of messages on some particular message 1, message 2 on particular topic, and these messages are consumed by the consumer 1, or it may be consumed by multiple number of the consumers. But who will store all these messages and topics are nothing but, who will look after all these messages and topics are nothing but your Kafka broker or Kafka server. It is the whole and sole responsible to store the messages, to store the topics. And one thing you see here, the producer which is going to produce the messages and the consumer which is going to consume the messages, they don't even know who are producing, who are consuming. Who is the responsible thing here? The whole and sole responsible thing is nothing but your broker or server. It is responsible for maintaining the exchanging sorry, not exchanging, transferring the data from the producer to the consumer. Okay, so whole and sole responsible is nothing but your Kafka broker. Okay, so what is the first step now I have to do is how to start a Zookeeper and Kafka server. This thing already I showed in my past video. Now again I want to show this. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, let me show you how to create a how to start the Zookeeper server. Okay, so here to start the Zookeeper server, after making these two settings according to my past video, what is the command to start the Zookeeper? Slash bin. This is the command we need to start. Dot slash bin windows Zookeeper server start bat configure Zookeeper properties. Control C. Here I already opened certain windows. Okay, some set of the windows here. Which path you have to execute this command? In the C drive Kafka folder it is available. So in the C drive Kafka folder, just paste this command. So your Zookeeper server is started. Now what you have to start is nothing but your Kafka broker or Kafka server. So to start this, what is the command? Dot slash bin slash windows Kafka hyphen server start dot bat slash dot hyphen config server dot properties. I'm pasting this and I'm starting this command. Which one? This is the starting of the broker, Kafka broker or Kafka server. So now both are running. Okay, now what I have to start? I have to start a topic. Okay, so directly you can't start a topic here. So before you can't start a producer or the consumer, they need to exchange some set of the command, some set of, they need to work on some set of the messages. So on which topic they are going to consume those messages, we have to make the topic first. So for that I'm going to create a topic now, right now. Okay, let me create the topic. Yeah, how to create a topic. So first of all, we have to see what is the topic. Once again, I will explain what is the topic. See here, what is the topic? It is actually, it is uh, yeah. So what is the topic here? If you see here, a Kafka topic is a category or feed name to which messages are going to be published. So remember this line. Kafka messages always associated with topics, and when you want to send a message, you send it to a specified topic. Topics are divided into set of partitions which allow Kafka to scale horizontally and handle large volumes of the data. Read this thing I have already explained in my past video. So what is a topic? It is a category or a feed name to which messages are going to be published. Okay, now how to create a topic? What is the command to create the topic? Create a topic. See, look at this. After successful running of both the servers, now go to the path Kafka bin Windows. So we have started both the servers. Now what I have to do? I have to go to the Kafka. So what is the path again? It is Kafka bin Windows. So I need to go to Kafka cd bin and cd Windows. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Now what I have to do is I have to type this command to start the Kafka topic. See here we need to create a topic using the following command, and you will message after successful creation topic. Kafka hyphen topics dot bat hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092 hyphen hyphen topic test. Your Kafka server will run on the local host, that is 9092. You have to remember this. Here this is the command I have to type Kafka hyphen topics dot bat. Because we are working with the Windows, that's why it is bat file. If you are working in the Linux environment, here you will get .sh, but we are working in the Windows environment, so that's why it is looking as the .bat. So now what I am going to do is I am completely pasting this command. I want to change the name of the topic. I want to name it as the test one. Okay, so I pasted this command Kafka hyphen topics dot bat hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen bootstrap server. So what is the it is localhost, what is the port number? It is 9092 hyphen hyphen topic, that is the test one. Let us check. The topic was successfully created, the test one. Now what we are going to see is, according to here, the first step is over here. How to start Zookeeper server? See here, if we check here, I told this one. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here what I did is the first step is over. Now I'm going to start the second step, how to create a topic. This thing already we did. Now what I have to do is how to create a producer, how to create a consumer, right? So now what I'm going to do is how to create a producer. So what is the command to create a producer? That's what I want to see. Okay, so let me show you the command how to create a producer.